Fourth grade, welcome, welcome. I have very good news for you today. I have very, very good news for you. Do you know what it is? Tell me if you know what it is. You know what it is? Anybody? Anybody know what it is? What's your news today? Your lesson is super fácil. That is your news today, okay? Because if you understood the factors that we did yesterday together, okay, your page yesterday, where you did your factors here in pairs, then your factors here in a list, and then your common factors, you only need to learn one more paso and you are listos for today's lesson, okay? Let's do it. Here we go. So look what it says in the class practice number 1, find the greatest common factor. And you're like, Miss Jessica, we haven't done greatest common factor. Yes, but it's so easy. I'm going to teach it to you right now. Ready for this? Okay, here's the thing with factoring, you guys. You guys got to be good at your tablas. Are you good at your tablas? Because if you're not, then these factor things are going to be kicking your butt, right? So if you're not being good at these, you got to practice your tablas. Do you understand? Look at me. Do you understand? I hope so. Okay, here we go. Pairs of factors. Let's do it. What's the very first rule, Keanu? The very first two factors of every number are 1 and the number. Here we go. 1 times 8. Give me another one. Sama? We go 1 times 8. 2 times 4. Good job. Is 3 a factor? No. And we already have 4, so we are done with 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 4, 8. 12. What are my first two factors? Scarlett? 1 and 12. Bada bing, bada boom. Good job, Chica. What's my next one, Fernanda? 2 times 6. Excellent. What's the next one, Holly? 3 times 4. Excellent job. So let's list them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I said 5. 6, 12. What are my common factors, Jayla? 1, 2, 4. Good job. 1, 2, 4. Okay, Kiara, here we go. The paso of the day, the new one, the new step. From this number, this number, this number, those 3 numbers right there, the ones that are in common, what is the biggest number? What is the greatest number? 4. Excellent job, and that is your answer. Greatest common factor is the number that is the biggest number of your common factors. Okay, that's it. That's it. Sometimes they call it the GCF, and you gotta understand it, guys. If you don't understand it, you gotta talk to me. Okay? We only got one more to do, so I want you to do it by yourself. But look, the only paso that you have here is that you need to look at 1, 2, and 4. You need to pick out the biggest number, and it's 4. Go ahead and try letter B, and then I'll do it with you. Can you believe I'm going to do the second one with you? I know. I'm a nice person, right? Just kidding. Okay, go ahead and try it, though. Don't wait for me. I'm waiting for you. I need coffee. Ready? Okay, let's do it. Here we go. What are my pairs of factors, Sama? 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. So my list of factors are 1, 2, 4. Cool, cool, cool. Keanu, what are my pairs of factors for 6? 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. So 1, 2, 3, 6. Good. Fernanda, what are my pairs of factors for 8? 1 times 8, 2 times 4. Excellent, Chica. So 1, 2, 4, 8. What are my common factors, Scarlett? 1. All of them have 1. All of them have 2. And that's it. They only have 1 and 2 in common, right? So 1 and 2 is your answer there. So bum ba da bum 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 bum. Jayla, what's your greatest common factor? Remember how you find it. What is the biggest number between the 1 and the 2? 2. And there is your answer. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay? Number 2 and 3, you do by yourself. Number 4, let's look at number 4, you guys. Look at number 4. Letter A. Desiree drove 3 hours at the average rate of 52 miles per hour. So look at that, you guys. She's driving along. 1 hour she goes 52 miles, another hour she goes 52 miles, another hour she goes 52 miles. She goes 52 miles every hour for 3 hours. How far did she travel in 3 hours? I'm not going to tell you what to do. I just want to make sure that you understood what the question was. You guys decide. Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Look at letter B. Nicholas traveled 320 miles for 8 hours. So he went a total of 320 miles, but he did it in 8 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? How many miles did he travel each hour? So now you need to decide, multiply or divide. Because it does say each, but is it multiply or divide? It depends on what you want. This total is 320, but they want to know each hour. So they want to know a smaller number. Do you add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Okay? Go ahead and look at, I'm going to be looking for your number 5s today, making sure you're doing that multiplication right. There should be 3 levels, right? Make sure you're putting your zeros where you need to put them. Look at number 6, you need to be writing your remainder as a fraction. Don't just put the R there, you gotta write it as a fraction. So let's see if you remember that, okay? Number 7. Look at me, look at me, look at me. Don't guess and don't leave them blank and don't tell me you need help. If you still have your conversion thing in your binder, all your answers are on there. If you lost your conversion thing, I'm glad to send you a picture. That you can ask for, okay? But you don't need help. You just need your conversion sheet, okay? So just ask me for that. Number 8, remember what average is, you guys. Average is 2 pesos. What do, Kiara? You add and divide, okay? Add and divide. And then we're going to do number 9 together because I know how much everyone loves these. And I know that we were doing it a little bit different with Miss Ashley, so I want to make sure that you guys remember the process and you feel comfortable, okay? Here we go. 16 quarts minus 2 gallons equals how many gallons? Keanu, which one do we need to change? Do we need to change the quarts or do we need to change the gallons? Okay, we need to change the quarts because we want gallons, okay? So we need to change 16 quarts to gallons. How many gallons, right? So here we go, 16 quarts, line. What do we put down here, Fernanda? Quarts or gallons? Quarts, good job. What do we put up here? Gallons. Okay, Salma, how many quarts are in a gallon? 4. 4 quarts, 1 gallon. Excellent job. So the 4 is on the bottom. Do we multiply or do we divide? Jayla? We divide. What's 16 divided by 4, Jayla? 4. Okay, so 4 goes here. Is that your answer? No, that's this right here, 4 gallons. Now what do? We subtract. 4 minus 2 is what? Anybody what 4 minus 2 is? 2. Bada bing, bada boom. And that is your answer. Okay, so I did that one for you so that you remember. But I won't do the next one for you once I find another one this week, okay? Okay, guys, that's it for today. Have a great day. Bye, love you.